Hello friends! Welcome to Daily Sourdough. Are there days when you're in a hurry and you just can't figure out what to cook for a meal? Well, Sourdough Starter to the rescue. Today I'm going to teach you how to make scallion pancakes out of your sourdough discard. So let's get started. First, take 2 cups of your sourdough starter. And you don't need to feed it first. So if you have a lot of excess sourdough starter that is kind of lifeless, then this is the perfect recipe. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure to get all the chunks out of your soda. Then stir that up. Add a 1/4 cup of water and see how foamy it gets? Just instantly foams up, and now it's ready to cook. There are a variety of ways to cook scallion pancakes. Today I'm going to be using sliced green onions and chopped cilantro. But you can use a variety of ingredients. You can also use a variety of oils. For example, I have a Persian lime oil. I also have a cilantro and roasted onion olive oil and a sesame oil. And sesame oil gives it a really nice Asian flavor, so that's a fun one to use. Avocado oil is also really tasty in this and has a less of a flavor. And when your oil is hot, simply scoop some into your pan and then load it up with whatever toppings you want. You could put in jalapeno peppers, you could put in corn, just corn niblets. We've even tried cheese in it. Whatever you have on hand. This is a great recipe because you have your fermented food in your sourdough starter, then you have your healthy oils, and you have some greens, all in less than 10 minutes. After it's browned on one side, then simply flip it over and let it cook for another minute or so. So there you have a quick, easy, healthy meal in under 10 minutes. And everyone that I've served this to has really liked it, even children. This one that I cooked in sesame oil is really tasty, served with soy sauce as a dipping sauce. Let's give it a try. It's delicious. Has that little Asian flair to it with the sesame oil and the soy sauce. It's really tasty. The edges are so crispy and it's full of greens and flavors with the onions and the cilantro. And since you're using sourdough starter, it's really easy on your stomach. So give this quick and easy recipe a try. And if you'd like to see even more recipes on how to use your sourdough starter on a daily basis, be sure and subscribe because I have more recipes coming up on Daily Sourdough.